Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove favorite contacts on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on phone option. Okay, then tap on favorite, then 2% two-person favorite contact number, then click and swipe left, then option is delete, just click, then delete. Okay, then another option try, click on edit, then tap on minus option, then minus, then delete. That's all. Remove favorite contacts on iPhone. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.